Good morning. Grab your coffee. I'm going to show you how to build an AI competitive intelligence agent that gives you strategic advantage in just 5 minutes every Monday morning. Here's what happens to most product managers and product leaders. Happened to me, and I see it all the time in my day-to-day work. You spend hours reading competitor blog posts or checking feature releases. Maybe you've got Google alerts set, but they're probably only sending you a lot of noise. Meanwhile, their next strategic move of your competitor is essentially hiding in plain sight in things like job postings or partnership announcements or leadership comments that you often miss. So today I'm building an agent in Claude that automatically gathers competitive intelligence, going to help me spot strategic patterns and help me predict my competitors' next moves. No technical skills are going to be required, just 5 minutes every Monday, but the payoff is massive. Okay, let's start with the first thing, agent setup. You only need to do this one time. This document here on the right is linked below in the description to this video. So I'm just going to copy this prompt and paste it, and we'll just do a quick read of it. You are my competitive intelligence agent for Notion. This is the competitor that I want to track. Every week I'm going to ask you to search for new information about Notion from the past 7 days, analyze what's strategically significant, predicts their next likely moves, highlight threats and opportunities, be specific, be strategic, be actionable. Okay? Okay, great. So it's ready to go. So now let me show you what you do weekly, your intelligence gathering process. And let me show you what that prompt looks like, right? It's going to look just like this. Search for new information about Notion from the past 7 days. Focus on hiring signals, product moves, leadership intel, partnership activity, business signals. Okay, and what I'm asking it to do here, because without this last part, it's going to go on and give me a whole big analysis, and I'm not ready for that just yet. I said, I just want the raw findings. Don't analyze or interpret yet. For each finding, give me what happened, when, source, and save your strategic analysis that you so want to do for the next step. So this is what you would prompt every Monday morning to get good competitive intelligence for your competitor, in this example, Notion. So it's looking at hiring jobs, product updates. It found an interview with the CEO, some partnerships that have been announced this month, funding, revenue, business. So here's some raw findings. All right, hiring signals, some product moves, and some links from their blog or their developer page. Great. It's got some API update noted. Perfect. Leadership intel. There was a Make with Notion event, and so we've got some details from that. Partnership activity, business signals. All right, ready for strategic analysis of these findings? So I am, but I have a prompt I want to give it for that. And so I'm going to do this last prompt. This is the second one you will do every Monday. And this prompt is going to help us with our strategic findings. And it says, now analyze the intelligence you just gathered about Notion. Pattern analysis. What strategic patterns did you see? Competitive positioning, next move predictions, strategic implications. Okay? So this two-step process is what you're going to want to do. And let's go ahead and launch this one and see what it comes back with. Format as an executive briefing. That was the last line. Pretty important as well. Okay, so this is strategic intelligence gold. This two-step process gives you control, gives you raw intelligence first and strategic insights second. You can save facts and track patterns week over week. And that's it, 5 minutes every Monday for strategic advantage that compounds weekly. Let's take a look at this real quick. Pattern analysis. Look at this, competitive positioning, flanking Microsoft. Positioning as the anti-Office suite that works for you, not just with you. While Microsoft integrates AI features, Notion is building AI workers. How it's positioning itself against Google Workspace, against Slack and Teams. Really interesting. Next move predictions. Some high confidence custom agent marketplace launch. They mentioned this coming out soon, so that's pretty high confidence. But look at some of this stuff. Medium confidence. Microsoft Office file import export. It's a logical next step for enterprise migration. So see where AI is helping you not just sort of see the facts, but start to interpret, read those tea leaves. What's coming up next? Amazing. This is incredible stuff. New opportunities, immediate threats, recommended strategies. All right. Notion just declared war on manual knowledge work. Right, this is great stuff. So that's it. 5 minutes every Monday. After a month of this, you might start to understand their strategy better than many of their employees even do. Let me share a few pro tips to help make this even more powerful. Here's how I would approach it, right? For the first week, just gather intelligence. Get familiar with the process. After that, weeks 2 and on, compare to the previous week. Look at what's changed. Try to see those deltas. Around the second month, after you've been doing this for a month, go and add a second competitor. Use the same template. And then after that second month, when you get to month 3, build these for all 3 of your competitors, your top competitors, maybe 4. And then just every Monday, come in, run these prompts, and look and read these briefing memos that are generated for your top competitors. An important insight that I want to make sure I point out here. This isn't about building complex automation. This is about a simple and repeatable system that'll help you create strategic advantage through consistency and AI-powered pattern recognition. Simple little tweaks in the way you work can make massive differences in the output you're able to create and generate for you, for your team, for your business. So what are you waiting for? Your assignment this week, build this agent for your primary competitor. You can copy the exact prompts in the document that's linked below in the video description. Pick your biggest competitive threat, set up that Monday morning routine, and run it for 4 weeks. I guarantee you're going to uncover strategic intelligence that changes how you think about your market. When will you learn about your competitors' next moves? When they announce them? Or maybe you'll see them coming a couple months earlier. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe below for weekly AI systems that turn 5-minute routines into competitive advantages. And if you want to see me live demo creating an AI agent that collapses the time from feature release to sales readiness, click the link in the description below to sign up for my free lightning lesson this coming Tuesday, September 30th. As always, break a pencil.